I don't know if you can tell, but we have a beautiful little frog right here. And man, is he camouflaged well. Big guy. We're up here on Ocoee, up near Silco Creek, and Jared is firing up the chainsaw so we can cut some of these limbs so that we can keep driving the Jeep. It's crazy windy though, a storm is brewing. We're heading toward Lick Log Trail, which I thought was kind of a funny name. So I really thought that the only place you could stand inside of a tree or have a gigantic tree was California. But I'm standing inside the stump of a massive tree here in Tennessee. Just to get a little perspective. Huge tree. That's where it fell. Right down there. I think that's one of the biggest I've seen in Tennessee.
I would say so. Dude, I mean...
So here's the situation. We found a bunch of trees blocking the road. So we cut this log once. I think we're gonna try and pull it out of the way. I'm gonna tow it backwards, see if I can't pull it out of the way.
So we're gonna pull this log out of the way with the Jeep, and Harvey's gonna watch. Here it goes, tightening it up. Gonna swing her right out of the way. Come on, buddy. Look at that, there he is. Okay. Easy on the Jeep.
Keep going. Keep going.
Holy crap, did you see that? Right there.
What? What do you see? Where'd you see?
A hog, I think, right over here.
Get him. Get him.
Right over there, right over there. Go, 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 go. Go, get it. He's crashing through the brush. Go, go, go. Hold the gun up. Go, 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 go. Hold the gun up. Go, go, go. Get him, get him, get him.